How's it going, Stance Bros? David here, and we got a Mazda 3 in. I wanted to take the opportunity to show you guys the 5 areas that I noticed DIY detailers or weekend warriors miss on your vehicle. So next time you clean your vehicle, make sure to get these 5 areas. We already did the first couple steps. We cleaned the wheels and we let Primus sit on top just to get rid of anything organic. Now we're gonna let Pacifica sit on there just to get rid of anything inorganic like brake dust. And I'll show you guys the top 5 areas to never miss. Yes, we like our soap here at Stance Bros. We want to make sure it's foamy as possible. First place that I notice people miss is right in between the badges. If this badge was up on top of the hood, sometimes dirt can build up, and after a long period of time, it will actually begin to rust. So you want to make sure you get the badge. While we're down here, we can get in between the grills. Sometimes bugs get stuck in here. Get this little heater block. Get down here as well. Make sure you really scrub these badges. Things get stuck in there. And when you have a really clean car, even the littlest speck of dirt can stick out like a sore thumb. Next place that we're going to go to, after we rinse off our brush, is up here. We want to get the wiper blades because a lot of people just replace their wiper blades when they stop working. They don't realize that a lot of dirt and grime builds up in there and it will actually prevent them from doing their job. While we're here, you want to scrub in here too. A lot of dirt, leaves, pine needles, depending on where you are, can build up. Just gonna go to the other side here. Get this side. Same thing. Really give it a good scrub. And then when you're drying the car, make sure you dry in here as well. I'm gonna rinse off my brush. I'm gonna head over to the gas cap. Now, if there's anything along the way, like any badges, some kinds of badges on the doors, we'll get those, but this one doesn't. And then over here, get in between the gas cap. A lot of gas, a lot of dirt, a lot of mud will build up here over time, and again, begin to rust. Don't want that. So we're not actually gonna unscrew this or anything. The most that you can do is if you wanna unscrew it and then just get right here, be extremely careful, and then put it back on. You don't want anything going into that gas cap. Perfect. Again, I'm gonna rinse off the brush. Actually, we're gonna grab the wash mitt for this one. And right behind the license plate. So right behind the license plate, a lot of dirt up here can build up that people miss. So I'm gonna give that a good scrub. And right behind the license plate. Again, when you let that stuff sit there, it will begin to rust. It's a high rust area. Gonna scrub it. Make absolutely sure. And as you can see, there's a badge, there's a wiper blade, and another badge. I'm just gonna grab the brush. Go ahead and get the badges. Wiper blade. Badge over here as well. And do a quick check. No more badges. We're good. So a lot of you are probably thinking, why didn't I do a contact wash? This is Labocosmetica's 3 pH line. It is a touchless wash. So first wash, which we did off camera, will get rid of anything organic. This one gets rid of anything inorganic, so brake dust, anything embedded into the paint. This car wasn't heavily contaminated, so you don't even need to clay bar it. So now we're gonna go ahead, rinse it off, and I'll show you the last common area that I noticed rookie detailers make, and a bonus one as well. The fifth most common place that I notice rookie detailers miss is actually during the drying process. So if you come over here, a lot of people will be drying the car, and they'll see the water and they'll completely skip over the mirror. So you want to get on the mirror and you want to make sure that even the glass is all done up, because when you get into the vehicle to drive off, when they're leaving the shop, the first thing they're going to look into is the mirror, just so they can back up. And if they see watermarks or dirt or anything like that, we don't want them seeing that first thing, right? So I notice a lot of people miss that. You want to make sure you dry it so there's no watermarks, and just double check there's no dirt, and then you're good. And for the bonus one that I see a lot of detailers missing is, you've guessed it, the door jambs. Now, I don't care if this is a basic wash, an interior detail, or a $4,000 ceramic coating, door jambs are a must in every package. Again, this is one of the first things that they see when they get into the vehicle. We want to make sure that it's nice and shiny.
Here at Stance Bros, we're recognized as one of Calgary's premier detailing spas. Our meticulous attention to detail ensures every vehicle entrusted to us leaves looking its best. Join us on this channel as we showcase our passion for cars, detailing expertise, and exciting car content. At Stance Bros, we're cultivating a community united by our passion for all things automotive.
Nice stance, bro.